Struggling to clean your cast iron without ruining the seasoning? Most scrubbers are too small, too weak, or just can't reach those tough corners. Meet the VinYanKee cast iron cleaning kit, built to clean every inch with ease. With its unique round and square corner design and a larger 3.5-inch size, it adapts to all your cookware shapes for faster, more efficient cleaning. Made with food-safe 316 stainless steel, heat-resistant silicone, and a durable nylon scraper, this complete kit handles tough messes without damaging your seasoning. The thicker, anti-slip silicone handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue and giving you total control. Its hand-woven 3D chainmail base removes stubborn buildup and stains without scratching or trapping food. And when you're done, just rinse it or toss it right in the dishwasher. Protect your cast iron and clean smarter. Upgrade your kitchen with VinYanKee today. I hope this video brought you some real value. If you want to dive deeper into this product, hit that link down below and check it out. And if you'd like to see more, I've got another video queued up for you. Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, smash that like button and subscribe for more.